an apology become a blessing. Actually, when we accept an apology which has never been sent to us, we are converting our life into a blissful situation. Because when we feel offended by someone or some situation, we hold a grudge in our heart and we shrink our heart for that person or that situation and create a fear in our mind so that that never happens again. And that holding the grudge also leads to our own hindrance of self growth. So whenever we feel offended, we must be ready in our minds to forgive that person, to overcome that situation, and to move on in our life. When we move on in our life by letting go of the grudges, of the fears, and of the things that threaten us, then we are actually paving our path towards the inner growth. And this inner growth definitely leads to our blissful situations in life. And this bliss actually converts our journey to be a blessed one. And actually, we don't reach a destination that is blissful, but our journey becomes blessed because in the mind, we don't hold any grudges, we don't have problems with anyone, and in our mind, we are clear. We are clear that we are not going to be offended by anyone because we take charge of our own actions. We take charge that my heart is clear, and we take charge that I should not be wrong, because in the fight of right and wrong, somewhere we just lose the life we are living in that moment. And that right and wrong creates, it's a very thin line between that right and wrong, and it just can make our life hell, and it can also make our life blessed. So it's our choice what we are choosing. Are we choosing to let go the situations and move on, or are we choosing to hold on to the situations and shrink our heart? So in my case, I think the best thing is to let go the situations and let go the people who are offending you somewhere in life, and just move on, so that when you move on in life and you move back and see that what you have left further in your life is not just haunting you, because you did your best, and maybe the people or the situations who are away from you now didn't deserve you, because you are on a different level in your journey, and maybe they deserve more steps to be taken to reach you. So just take your own responsibility, take your own charge, just forgive others in your mind, just be empathetic, put yourself in the shoes of others, and try to think more about the emotions, try to understand about the emotions, try to think what better could have happened in that situation by your action, by your deed, by your smile, by your silence, or by your intelligence. So when you'll take charge of your actions, your deeds, your thoughts, the situations will change, and these changed situations will lead to a changed you and to a changed circumstances around you and to a blessed atmosphere around you. So accepting an apology which has never been sent to you is the best thing you can do to yourself in your life.